This is you. This is the guy she tells you not to worry about. The TMG Off-Road 250 coming at y'all today. Set up nice. This is going to my man Tom Moore. He custom ordered up this bad boy. She's ready to rock and roll. Wanted y'all to check it out before it goes. So let's get into it. First off, 250 on her off-road package, guys. Starts at $9,500 on the base wheels. Let me show you the base wheels. That's your base wheel and tire right there, guys. You don't want that. Get that crap out of here. You want the upgraded wheel package, all right? We got the medium size, all right? $700, around about $700 to get this size, or this is you. This is the guy she tells you not to worry about. The big boy, around $1,000. This wheel package looks slick, goes great on the tank smokers, makes it a little bit easier to pull around. I mean, hey, you just can't get better than that look, guys. On our off-road package, we got fabricated axles. The brace underneath really show off all our very talented fabricators in the shop. We'll get on the smoker now. So like I mentioned, 250-gallon tank. Now this one has got our custom patina on it. The way that works, we send the tank off, get it sandblasted, and then you get to choose your 3 colors of paint. Spray some paint on there, do all our metal work, go back, scuff it up, sand through everywhere, 3 coats of high gloss clear coats. That way you can still get that patina look, but with the exact colors you want. That is a slight upcharge. Really comes out nice on this one. You can see we did the white, smoky gray, and maroon. Looks slick. Fold down stack, that is standard on every tank smoker we build. The counterweights are an add-on too. On the 250, you don't have to have them. They do make it a little bit easier. 2 top grates, both sliding. That is standard. 3 bottom trays here. They are removable. We got a 1.5-inch ball valve grease drain down there as well. Custom stainless steel sign, not just 1, but 2. We got another one on the firebox door here as well. Speaking about firebox door, check this puppy out. Fully insulated, 3 inches thick, all 1/4-inch plate steel. That door out there is about 80 pounds. It's no joke, all right? Inside, 24-inch pipe, 3/8 thick, right with insulation, of course. The front of it's insulated as well. Holds heat great. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. There's one slick 250 rolling out shop today, guys. Hey, y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit belt, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.